Hello. So I have a problem. My dog will not stop eating cat poop. I don't know why. To be honest, he might be onto something. I've never tried it. I'm not going to judge. So we bought a litter robot thinking that that would solve the problem because it would scoop the cat poop immediately, but he gets to it before the litter robot does. So today I'm going to try and tackle this problem by creating an enclosed litter robot house so that the cats can get in, but he can't get in. Here are my very detailed plans for the frame. I plan on using just as much scrap as I possibly can. I'm only going to do 3 sides so that way I can roll it out and get to it, clean it, maintain it, and stuff like that. So we're going to try it out, see how it works. So with that, I'm going to start getting to cutting. Now it's time to start assembling. Now, is it the most sturdy thing in the world? Probably not. Would I stand up on it? Probably not. Is it cheap? Yes. Did I only use scrap? Yes. Were those the right tools? No. So now we got our 2 sides cut out and our front cut out. Oh, also, stupid. Duh. Dummy. Alright. Here we have it. A box. Really not good box. Right now it's a little wobbly. For my next trick, we're going to cut siding. I have these leftover pieces of really thin plywood. Inside done. I'm an idiot. I think I did 22 instead of 32. But I have to go get more. We're gonna do some pieces, yeah. It's for the cats. I don't think they'll care. What's that thing they say about measuring twice and cutting once? I got to measure 3 or 4 times. Maybe I was reading it upside down and backwards. It's supposed to be 32, I did 23. Hate it. Time to assemble. Side 1 done. Side 2 done. That's so bad. Mucho más better. A little bit of structural rigidity. 1 trip to Lowe's and $50 later, we have a 1/2-inch piece of like a pre-sanded piece of plywood. This is going to be our top. We're going to cut it like a 1/2 inch on each side overhang. Ooh. The frame is done. Everything's done except for I'm just going to sand the edges, and then I'm going to make a wood filler from some of the sawdust and wood glue. Then I got to cut out the hole for the cats to actually get through. I'm going to keep sanding a little bit more to kind of shape it a little bit better. It's a bit cattywampus still. Next thing we're going to add is the hole here. So I found a plate that's about the width of a cat, and then I measured the height of a cat, and it's about 13 inches or so. So I just traced the hole where the top point is about 13 inches, and then I used my speed square to kind of mark the tangent points. I will drill a hole, use jigsaw to cut out this shape. So I'm going to drill a hole first, and then I'm going to use a jigsaw to cut out the shape. It's getting to the point where I'm stopping to care about it. Okay, there she is, all installed. We'll get around to maybe painting the top, probably some decoration, because it looks just like a big box right now. Because it's just a big box right now, with the hole cut out. But the hole is just big enough for the cats to get in there. Not big enough for this dingus to stick his head in and eat cat poop. So, you know, for right now, it's a win.